Hi everyone. Let's start with stages of developments given by Jean-Jacques Rousseau to define the individual's development. He attempted to divide the stages of development into four parts from infancy period to adulthood period. First period is infancy period, that is period or approximate age 1 to 5 years. He defines that period plays a significant role about the individual's or child characteristics. At this stage, child should not control or he should be given to freedom or giving control environment may restrict their developments. So child development through his body, child's body, and his sense organ, maximum utilization of physical activity is essential for the development of the child. So he should be allowed to play with the natural things. He should not be restricted in certain movements, or he should not be face some discomfort in movements of his body. So child should be taught um, by his mother, or she should never force him to do any work, and let's allow the child to enjoy with natural environment, toys and plants and flowers. He or she should feel the natural feelings or natural beauty. So simple playthings and free wandering environment and physical development is essential during the infancy period. Next step is our stages of development is childhood, that is between 5 to 12 years. Here the development of sense organ plays a significant roles of the child, because of child observe something and experience something through sense organ. They can manipulate something. So these experiences are developed by the sense organs, which will lead to the development of mind and his power of reasoning. The eyes of the child should be trained to measure height, weight and distance and musical beautiness, and the that flowers educate his nose. So for training of the senses, natural problems should be placed before him, or she will reach the solution of herself or himself. So like that, during adolescent stage, it is between 12 to 15 years. It is a period of developing intellectual thinkings and study of natural sciences, natural environment, field observation. So during adolescent stage, natural curiosity of the child uh, should be maximum. So curiosity should be maintained among the adolescent students. So it is a period of developing intellectual, period of exploring something innovative ideas through geographic teaching and field observation. Adolescent students can pursue their ideas, and they can learn industrial and professional experiences and so on. As how to maintain their livelihood, it is essential to teach him or manual work or industrial art. So it is essential during adolescent stage. So adulthood, it is the age between 15 to 20 years. So during this stage, sex organ becomes active, and along with maturity of mind and intellectuals during this period among boys and girls. So it is the proper time to teach social and moral obligations. So it is because they can now recognize what is right, what is wrong, and they can distinguish which is good, which is bad. But these things should not be taught by lectures, which is given by the society. So it should be in practical manners. So uh, Rousseau basically focus on no direct instruction. They focus on negative aspects or negative education, no formal learning, no bookish learning. Adulthood individuals should focus on certain things, certain misery of the world, and they can show that they can explore the reality of the world, and so should see the evils of the society again and again, which will lead to uh, turn the societal change and plays a part of societal developments. So this is all about the stages of developments given by Jean-Jacques Rousseau: infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and their characteristics during this period. Thank you.